Acraea Lualabae is a butterfly in the family Nymphalidae. It is found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Shaba. In 1912, Harry Eltringham wrote, male. Expanse about 50 mm, wings rather dull orange, somewhat paler on forewing median area, forewing. With a very slight black suffusion at base and a conspicuous black tip about 7 mm wide. A black spot in cell very slightly beyond origin of 2, and 1 on upper part of end of cell. 2 discal spots beyond cell, 1 in 5 and a larger one in 3. In 2 a large spot touching the median, and in LB a submarginal and a subbasal spot. Hind wing dull orange with a black basal suffusion, and a marginal border formed of black arches on a narrow marginal line. Spots as on underside but smaller. In the cowtype at Oxford there is a spot in area 5 on upper side, which is reduced to a minute dot on underside. The type has no spot in this area. Underside. Forewing is on upper side but paler, the apical black replaced by dark ochreous. A black spot at base of costa. Hind wing. Pale orange ochreous, lemon ochreous at base of cell to inner margin, reddish at base of area 7, and in median portion of 1C, 1B, and 1A. Marginal border with black arches enclosing rounded spots of pale dull ochreous. Black spots as follows: a median spot in 7, a spot in 6 much nearer margin, under this a minute dot in 5 representing the spot on upper side which is present in the cowtype and not in the type, in 4 a spot near margin immediately beneath that in 6, a spot in 3 not quite touching end of cell, 1 and 2 touching median in nervule 2, a large transverse spot in 1C, nearer to margin, and 1 in LB and 1 in nearer to base. In addition to these, a spot in 8 slightly removed from precostal, a subbasal in 7, 2 in cell, 1 at base of 5 touching M.D.C, a transverse subbasal spot in 1C in lock, and between these, but more distally placed, a small spot in LB. Head and thorax black, latter with a few brown hairs, abdomen black with the last 2 or 3 segments orange. Claws unequal. The genital armature is very distinct. The clusters are entirely different from those of Acraea, or indeed of any other species I have examined. The true uncus is reduced to a mere bristle, whilst the chitinous sheath of the penis is developed into what appears to be a false uncus. Female unknown. Acraea Lualabae is a member of the Acraea acreta species group. The clade members are Acraea Lualabae, Acraea acreta, Acraea cherubula, Acraea eltringhamiana, Acraea guiluensis, Acraea manca, Acraea puteraina, Acraea utengulensis. Lualaba is in the Congo. References